The Tidewell Foundation mission is to brighten the lives of patients, families, and residents in the communities the Tidewell Hospice serves. We do that by increasing funds, engagement, awareness, and advocacy to sustain and expand the exceptional services that we provide.
Tidewell is really unique in what it does. There is really no organization that really funds compassion, end of life, and addresses the family. Also, many programs that they run. It encompasses a lot of good quality programs for people that need those services.
When the Tidewell Foundation was established in 2020, it was during Tidewell's 40th anniversary year and during a 2-year pandemic. We saw an opportunity to create a perpetual foundation to expand the financial support of Tidewell Hospice and the other not-for-profit affiliate companies that complement Tidewell's services, including home health, palliative care, and primary care. Our desire is to further expand our services, outreach to the communities, and provide full life care. Tidewell Foundation allows Tidewell Hospice to provide its world-class care regardless of people's ability to pay. For more than 40 years, Tidewell has walked side by side with tens of thousands of patients and families, providing world-class hospice and palliative care in our 4-county region. Donors help support the mission when they give of their financial resources and time. Without donor support, there would be no mission.
You see the programs that you can donate to. We do a lot of site visits, and so I visited many programs as well as used some of the services. It's amazing what they can do to help people.
Insurance does not cover the cost of peace of mind. Many of the programs we provide improve quality of life that our complementary services do cover for all.
175 veterans are cared for daily in our 4-county region. Donor funds provide for the Tidewell Honors Veterans Program, a nationally recognized program. It's a comprehensive program focused on celebrating veterans and providing support groups to military families. Pinning ceremonies are proudly offered upon request. It's a moving recognition of a veteran's service and sacrifice, which is presented by a fellow Tidewell veteran volunteer. Donor funds provide specialized grief support for children and teens through the Blue Butterfly Family Grief Center.
The Blue Butterfly program truly is transforming the lives of children in our community. We're the top provider of grief care, and we're providing for the most vulnerable, the children ages 5 to 18. We provide evidence-based counseling for these children.
Tidewell also provides community grief services for adults that are free of charge and available to all.
My brother passed away, and my mother had a very hard time with that, and she got connected with a counselor through Tidewell, and I felt at peace. It's just the atmosphere.
There are also many clinically proven enhanced programs that bring quality of life to those with advanced illness. Donor support provides programs such as expressive arts, Reiki therapy, pet therapy, and massage therapy. We're fulfilling wishes of patients to brighten their final days. The Wishes Fund recently provided medical access transportation so a husband and wife could see one last sunset together at the beach.
The Wishes Fund allows us to celebrate an individual and their family with one last wish and to brighten their lives as part of our mission. We celebrated 3 patients last year that hit the 100-year milestone of their life. What an honor to be a part of that with them. We also celebrated a wedding anniversary for a couple that otherwise wouldn't have been able to be together.
There are 2 Tidewell Treasures resale stores in our community. One is in Sarasota and the other in Venice. Proceeds from the stores provide funding for programs not otherwise covered by insurance. We have approximately 200 volunteers serving in the stores, and they are the key to success.
Many family members feel closure in donating to the Tidewell Treasures store because of the services their family member has received, and they want to give back in a small way, and so they give through their gift of furniture or clothing, and it provides closure for them, and they're also assisting the organization that helped their family.
Donors fund the nurse residency program to address the nationwide nursing shortage.
Often in the community, I hear that our nurses are angels on earth. They're taking care of the loved one or the patient, and they need specialized training that they're not receiving in their programs before they come to Tidewell. So in an effort to provide that training, we've created the nurse residency program.
Funding for a simulation lab was also made initially through a generous donor. The lab is a part of a state-of-the-art education facility available to clinical staff. It's designed to resemble a patient's living room, which reflects where most hospice care is provided. 2 simulation mannequins have been custom programmed to assist in the education of hospice staff. They can exhibit physical symptoms, such as labored breathing and elevated heart rates. The mannequins can also be programmed to have conversations and present learners with different challenges, such as pain or discomfort, or even being a difficult patient. They are controlled by educators in a control room who take participants through different educational programs scenarios. The room also reflects some of the many challenges clinical staff may experience in a home, such as trip hazards, unsafe living conditions, and piles of dishes in the sink. Through the generosity of donors, we brighten lives in our community by advancing care and compassion for all who need it. Celebrating life's moments, we can connect your passion with our purpose to ensure a continuum of health and care are available for all.
We see it as an honor to be able to provide this service with donor funds to these individuals.
They're very special people. They hire really compassionate people, the nurses, the medical staff, the personnel, even the board members, and even the staff and the volunteers. They all contribute to the mission of Tidewell. It does give a lot of hope to patients and their families, and that's what we all are looking for, is hope.